guys, welcome back. Okay, so for today's video, I wanted to do a look playing around with some new palettes that I did pick up from Beauty Bay. These are from the brand Samplr Beauty, I believe, and they came out with some palettes that are magnetic. So there are single shadows in here. And these palettes are absolutely gorgeous. When I saw the color stories for these palettes, you guys, I just about passed out because I was like, oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. I love them. And then when I went on Beauty Bay and saw the pricing, they were $15 a piece, which is not bad, you guys, because each palette, which is full of magnetic singles, has what, 25 shades in there? 25. Yeah, 25 shades in each palette. And the color stories are just so beautiful. And I knew I had to have them, right? But I love the fact that they're single shadows, magnetic, because you can move them around between each palette. Now, these palettes have beautiful color stories. Like I said, 15 bucks each on Beauty Bay. And I just wanted to play around with a couple of them. So this is the eye look I created today with using two of the palettes 1 and 2. So this is palette 1, right? They're just numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the color story for palette 1. So pretty. I love greens and purples together. The mattes and the shimmers just complement each other beautifully. I love the tones. It's very fall, very earthy, just absolutely gorgeous. So I was really curious because I don't have anything else from this brand. Never even heard of them, honestly, until I saw them on Instagram. And I was just curious, like, okay, they're single shadows, really affordable from Beauty Bay. I know my Beauty Bay palettes have amazing quality shimmers and mattes. So let me just see what's going on with Samplr Beauty. So this is palette 1. This one here is palette number 2, which I also used with palette 1 to create this eye look today. So this one has beautiful blues and grays with some cool tone dusty purples in there, and then this gorgeous purple down here as well, and this beautiful pop of gold. It's just so beautiful. I love the shimmers that they have combined with the mattes. I just think it's a really good mix. So this is palette 3. And this is what palette 3 looks like. So very neon, punk, grunge. It's just kind of like, if you like super bright colors with pops of neon and you're not afraid to kind of branch out with your eye looks, then this is an absolutely gorgeous color story. I love this color story. Now, the reason why I got all 4, for 1, I loved all 4 of the color stories, but for 2, with them being magnetic, honey, you could pop them out, move shades around. You can create your own palette. It's just, I think it's a really good deal for 25 shades for 15 bucks. And the color stories are great. So if it's just one palette that you absolutely love, and it's not hard to love these color stories. As you can see, this one, number 4, beautiful neutral shades if you are a neutral lover. And then it has this beautiful dark navy blue in there as well, and this gorgeous beautiful silver. If you love neutral shades, they have one for you too, child. So yeah, I just received these like last week, I believe. Yeah, last week. They came pretty quickly and very nicely packaged, bubble wrap envelopes and all that good stuff. And I said, you know, I really want to check out the quality, so that's what I did today. So you guys, if you want to see the look that I created with palettes 1 and 2, and I'll hold them up again. So this one is 1. And this one is 2. And I love both of these. You guys know I love both of these color stories. So these are the 2 palettes that I used for this eye look today. And I feel like I did a good job of combining them. I'll just, spoiler alert, the quality is very nice. The pigmentation is crazy. Like being able to see the yellow and then the orangey shade mix into the green and the blue and then the beautiful gold on the lid. It worked out really well. And I wanted to get a little spicy today, so I went with a green lip. Went with a green lip. This is an older lipstick that I have from Black Moon Cosmetics. Honestly, I don't even know if they're still in business because I don't purchase from them regularly or check for them regularly. But when I saw them come out with these lipsticks a while ago, might have been a year or two ago, I don't remember, child. But of course, I don't wear green lipstick that often. But when I saw that they had this green, which is called Greta, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this gorgeous green, honey, I was like, okay, I need to have that in my collection. And there's one more I want to show you guys because they also in that collection had a blue. So the name of this gorgeous blue is Hellraiser. So, you know, that's the name, Hellraiser, this blue, and then that green one was Greta. But yeah, Black Moon Cosmetics, I got these and they just really kind of help spice up a look. You know, if you're daring enough or brave enough to wear a bold color of lipstick, you know, then they're fun to play with sometimes. But I really wanted to pull it out and pull out a little bit of the green that I brought into this eye look because I really didn't put that much green in there, but there is a little green in there. It kind of got overpowered by the blue. So anyway, enough of me yapping, you guys. I just wanted to pop in, say hi. I hope you guys are having a wonderful new year. I hope you had a great holiday season and we're moving forward into this new year with positivity and light. Okay, so yeah, that's it, you guys. If you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned because it's coming up next. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. Now, when I first started out to create this look, I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just kind of had an idea of the colors I wanted to use and the vibe that I wanted to create. And so once I put that yellow down right there under my brow bone and saw how bold it was, it kind of gave me more of an idea of the direction I wanted to go in. So I'm working out of palette number 1 with that beautiful bold yellow, and then I'm just applying some of that bold orange shade. It's really kind of like a pumpkin-y orange, kind of more red leaning orange, but as you can see, the pigmentation is beautiful. It's showing up nicely. I also wanted to use that kind of grungy green in there, but I wasn't sure how I was going to incorporate it into this look. So I just started applying it into my crease, deepening the crease, you know, area kind of with some windshield wiper motions. But then I started tapping it all over my lid because, like I said, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I really liked how this color was looking on my lid. Unfortunately, most of it got covered up, but it still played a role in this eye look. So now I moved on to palette number 2 because I knew I wanted to use that really, really pretty blue shadow. And I wasn't sure how it was going to look on top of this green though, but I knew I wanted to deepen up that corner and add that aspect of blue. So as you can see, I'm just applying it in the outer corner and just gently blending it up because I don't want it to cover up that orange and I don't want it to cover up all of the green at this point. So just using it really to deepen up this eye look and just kind of make that corner nice and smoky. So as you can see, I did a little cleanup work and I decided I wanted to use some of my e.l.f. glitter glue. So I'm going in with that, tapping that glitter glue on the, you know, just half of my lid really, because I knew I was going to go in with the gorgeous gold shade from palette number 1 and apply that as my shimmer. So I'm just gently tapping that down, really trying to get a feel for the shimmers, how pigmented they are, if there's a lot of fallout, you know, all that good stuff. And all of these shadows, I will say, had little to no fallout, the mattes as well as the shimmers. And as you can see, that gold shimmer is just absolutely gorgeous. It's laying down beautifully on top of that glitter primer. I really, really like it. So I'm just going back in and adding a little bit more of that blue just to kind of blend that into the edge of that gold so everything kind of meshes together and becomes one with all of these colors in this eye look. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and finish my face off camera. So I did complete that off camera and added some lashes. And now I'm just going to go in with some black eyeliner and my Thrive mascara and just add a little bit of that to my lower lash line. I decided I didn't want to add any shadow down there. I was going to put some of that dark blue on my lower lash line, but I was like, no, you know, I'm just going to keep the lower lash line a little bit simple so that all of the drama can be on the lid. And I really like that. So you guys saw in the intro, I did put on a green lipstick today. Like I said, this is from Black Moon Cosmetics. It's the shade Greta. I didn't know it was metallic, honestly, before I started to apply it. But once I put it on, I was like, okay, we're really going for the drama today. And I actually really love it. I had a lot of fun with this green lipstick today. It's not often that I do color on my lips like that. I used to do it all the time, the blues and the greens and the purples. So I think it's time for me to bring that back and start mixing it up a bit. So this is it, you guys. I really like how it came out. So that's it, you guys, for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed hanging out with me while I created this eye look. It did get a little crazy, but I wanted to kind of play around with my blending and combining colors that, you know, you might not think to combine on your lids together. But, you know, if you take your time and blend, then it will work out. So I really love this eye look. I love mixing kind of like sunset tones with like sky tones or ocean tones or just like earth tones, because you can combine a lot of different colors that are not necessarily a rainbow, if you know what I mean. So that's it, you guys. Thanks so much. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit like, leave me a comment, okay? And I will see you guys on my next one. Toodles!